Hi, it's Peter Jordan here from Clinician's Choice Dental Products. I'm the president, and one of my roles here is to develop products that solve everyday clinical problems. One of the categories we are especially focused in is finishing and polishing, and every product we develop, we want it to be efficient and very effective. And I want to share with you the A.S.A.P all-surface access polishers. This is a two-step diamond polisher, two sizes of small wheels with flexible fingers that flow interproximally and through all the occlusal grooves, the facial grooves, and incisal edge. Wherever you want to polish, A.S.A.P will do that for you. I'd like to demonstrate this using our Evanescent composite. And step one will be the purple A.S.A.P, which is 45 micron diamonds. And you'll notice in just seconds, this prepares the surface for a high shine. And let me show you how it works. 8 to 12,000 RPMs is what you need. And just using this like a composite disc. You can also use it on the edge if you have small grooves, say along the incisal edge. But again, 15-20 seconds is all you need. Then we switch to the high shine A.S.A.P polisher. Again, same size, same shape, same features, other than it's 3 to 6 micron diamonds, so very fine. And in literally about 10 to 15 seconds, you're going to polish any composite surface to a very, very high shine. It's very efficient. One thing you'll love about A.S.A.P, other than the all-surface access, you can autoclave A.S.A.P polishers up to about 30 times, so the cost per use is very little. Look at that shine in just seconds. You can also use A.S.A.P polishers for lithium disilicate or your zirconia polishers. Now, they may wear out a little faster on those harder surfaces, but I think you're going to find this one polisher will do virtually all your polishing in your practice. So give them a try today.